Hmm. Test. Oh, another day, baby. Today's Wednesday, June 23. We have 37 seconds into the market open. GameStop is looking pretty juicy. 222, the triple twos, baby. AMC actually had a nice recovery yesterday, guys. When we ended the stream, we were pretty much like, I think we recovered. Yeah, we had recovery. We were at 54. And then some pretty weird price action. I think there might have been some covering, guys, yesterday on AMC. Some shorts might have covered here towards the close. We'll see. I don't really want to pull up the Ortex data until 2 days. So on Thursday, which would be Tuesday's data, we'll see. Oh, we got the two Robert V's, baby. What's going on? Good morning. You're gonna miss the bell? Nope, the bell just happened right now. Let's go, let's go. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, Clover. Clover's up today, pre-market too. Look at this, 1425. Torchlight has been taking a beating. TRCH. Take a look at this, back down to the $5 mark, which call me crazy, but if it comes down to like four, I think this is still in play, guys. I think these stocks are still in play. They're still gonna have like these random spikes like Clover here, which I think people might take profits. But let's see where today takes us. There's that usual dip we see on AMC at market open, followed by a rebound. The Doge was looking juicy yesterday too. Let's pull up Dogecoin. 24. It's back at 24. So we hit a low of like 12 cents, I believe, yesterday. Bitcoin is back. Everything's nice. I mean, Nasdaq or the SPY, I believe, yesterday almost hit a new all-time high. They were so close to these highs again. All right, futures. Tesla's up to pre-market too. Tesla's 638. If AMC can hit 64 today again, that'd be amazing. We're so close to 60s again too. GameStop quiet open. Oh, 15. You bought Doge at 17 cents. Nice. You're in the green now. Yeah, Tesla looks very juicy. I was looking at the 4-hour chart, and it seems to me like it's bound to break out soon, especially with Bitcoin rebounding and Powell kind of calming down the markets that they're not going to be tapering or raising rates. It only makes sense for the market to keep on going up. I mean, look at this. It's already flying. Yeah, I agree with you. 650s, 660s might be a move today for Tesla. Apple as well. Look at this. Microsoft, I believe, hit market cap 2 trillion for the first time. Here it is. Microsoft crosses 2 trillion valuation in intraday trading. Look at that chart. AMC still well above the EMA on the daily. No worries on that one. Wish. Let's take a look at Wish. Mm, I don't know how I feel about Wish though. I'd rather go with something more volatile like Clover. Look at that, 1454. Wendy's? No, Wendy's is dying out. Don't die on us, Wendy's. Torchlight, is it coming back up? No, a new low. AMC seeing some pressure here at market open, just like these other last couple of days. There's been some pressure. Don't know necessarily if it's people swing trading it or what, but we're still well above 50 and 55. Nasdaq Composite hits new record high. Well, the Nasdaq just stripped up, guys. Take a look at futures. Futures are a little bit behind, but the Nasdaq just hit a new record high. Let's see what's trending on Twitter. Black Sea, AR-15, Vanessa Bryant. No AMC, no stocks, no Bitcoin on here. ENTX. I don't know, man. Last time I had a spike from 1 to 10, it would just kind of die down a bit. Every little spike you have here on ENTX doesn't really necessarily hold the gains. I don't know how it plays out this time. You know how they always say this time is different. Morning, Kevin. Let the games begin. So yesterday, I unfortunately found out that the Subway tuna is not real tuna. My life will never be the same, man. There's the AMC rip back to 57.80. Get back to 58. Man, if we can just hit like 63, 64 today, I'm going to be very interested and curious to see what happens tomorrow. 58, let's go. Yeah, it's just like AMC share synthetics. Somebody in our Discord said it was like this protein paste. Still tastes like tuna though. And they got like suit or something like that. So Bloomberg was showing 20% short interest on AMC, but I think that's old data too. That was as of AMC just hit 59 by the way. I think me, Kevin, actually tweeted that. It might be even higher, we don't know. So we just spiked to 60. We're still very much in the game. Look at this beautiful uptrend. Damn. Let's go back to 64, man. Let's go back to 64. Oh, did you guys hear about this? Another hedge fund closes after suffering losses on GameStop. London-based hedge fund White Square Capital has told its investors it will be closing down. Double-digit percentage losses from a bet against GameStop stock. GG's. Tesla's probably still running, is it? Oh, wow. Tesla. 644. 644.99. Or was that FOMO? 645. Look how fast it moves. 645.75. Damn it, Tesla. $59.27. AMC. Come on, GameStop. Wake up, please. We need you to rally. That was like 2 days ago, I believe. $59.38. 39. Just give us 60 to this is a very beautiful market open. Very strong rally. 46. On Friday we had hit 64.96. Come on, GameStop, don't do the opposite. Let's see how these other stocks are following along. AMC. Clover's actually coming back down. Torchlight picking up. No, Wish, no. AMC's the only one right now. 59.55. Is there going to be a wall at 60? MindMed. All right, here comes the pullback. Couple profit takers there at 60. That's strong. This is strength right here. I like that. We just, come on. I feel 60. Come on. Come on. It's like every new high we have on AMC, it's followed by a pretty aggressive red candle. We saw that the last couple days too. There's some pressure there. I meant 60, not 600. Look at these candles fight, man. They wick down to like 58.50s and then they're immediately followed by a rebound above 59. Battling 59.20 right now. I smell 60. Three contracts on Palantir at 26 strike for July 16. It touched my target, but quickly pulled back. I remember Palantir was down to like 13. What a comeback by Palantir, though. There's 60. Come on. 59.80. As long as you stick to your plan, you stay disciplined, you'll do good. You'll be all right. There's 60. 60.14. I smell no walls. I see no walls. 60, 27, 25. Damn, we're back at 60. Let's go. So this is the weekly. Telling you guys that daily, if we can hit 64, 65, tomorrow is going to be set up for. I don't want to put dates and say, oh, tomorrow's going to rally, it's going to break out, it's going to squeeze, but there's a very high chance. The odds are with us. They're not against us. I'm a short Apple today. I'd be careful. Let me see, is it still rallying? 133. No, Tesla's the one that's still. Tesla's the monster right now. Microsoft. Flopping back down, pulling back. Facebook. Netflix still sub 5? No, 516. Amazon 35. Every time we say 67, when we go above 60, AMC does the opposite. It comes back down. So let's not say 67 today. At least Bitcoin rebounded. So 28K was the low yesterday we're talking about. I didn't know that was going to be the low. I thought we were going to go lower. But, oh. Yeah, Bitcoin just hold off right now. Look at this. We were at 34.8 and then it just started pulling back. Let's go on the 15-minute. So this is the rebound yesterday when we were done streaming. We had that little bounce there. Is it just a sympathy bounce followed by another leg down, new lows? I don't know. Can't see how buying AMC at 60 can be worth the risk unless you really believe it's going 100 plus downside is dangerous. Biotech risk reward seems better. Um, I mean, like you said, it really all depends on your plan. Like people have different risk tolerances and whatnot. They see value in stocks differently. So this stock is at 60.42, is up 3%. That's what it is. People are buying the stock. So you just got to play it with what you see, the numbers out there. 60, 58, 59, 60. Let's go. All right, how higher can we rip up on this market open 30-minute candle before we start to pull back? Maybe 62, 63. We're there, man. Come on, GameStop. Stop doing the opposite. 60, 90. 96, 99. Come on, 61's right there. 61.09. Like you can almost kind of feel the FOMO like on the stock. Like I have more FOMO on Tesla than I do on AMC. I don't know why. Yeah, GameStop needs to wake up or something. It needs some coffee. That's what it needs. I don't see. We were doing so beautifully at pre-market 224. Now it's pulling back slightly. Wait, let's take a look at the bigger picture. So we're still kind of in that wedge at 209 support, 230 resistance. Kind of still in there, trading sideways, which is not necessarily the worst case scenario. The NTX halted on the way down? No, on the way up. Yeah, you were just mentioning this stock. That makes me nervous. Getting in on a halt and getting stuck in a biotech stock. That's up 66%. Hopefully this thing shoots up for you, man. You said you were in at 690s, right? You were in like right here. There's that pullback we were talking about on AMC. So we did hit with 61.10. Again, pullbacks are no big deal. This is a healthy pullback. It can pull back to 59 for all we know and hold support there. But the fact that it just did this at market open from 57 to 61, that's going to show some strength throughout the entire day. GameStop, what are you doing, buddy? I made money. Oh, you sold already? Because remember, you didn't make money till you sell, man. It's not yours. Oh, you're holding still, so you haven't made money. Let's check Twitter. Any updates? Shopify working on 10 straight green days? No way. Shopify still. Damn it. Look at this stock. Look at the green candles on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, today's the 10th day. Green day. That's insane. Shopify. All right, AMC. This is the healthy retracement zone. Now you need to just bounce back up like this. Little V recovery here, back to 61. There you go. I'm going to try to sell at 8. Come on, hold 60, hold 60. 60's always been that like that psychological level on AMC. $60. Just be careful because just as easy as it got halted on the way up, it can get halted on the way down. $59.92, 96. We're back at 60 again. GameStop slowly recovering from here. We need a bounce on GameStop to 219. Let's get that bounce. Let's take a look at Tesla really quick. Oh, no way. This is just a monster. 646 high. Torchlight kind of dying down here. Clover, but still at 1366. No, AMC, come on. Just bounce from 60. Can you call Kenny Jing? Tell him to sort it out, please. Your stream is dope. I love how you don't do small talk. You're straight to business. I appreciate that. I hate small talk. I get so awkward. That my right eye is getting blurry. Think I need my glasses or something. GameStop 216, still holding around 216 right now. Usually for GameStop, we were talking about the 210 level. So 210 seems to be that pretty strong support, honestly. I know we cracked down 210, but for the most part, 209, 210 is where that big, massive line of support is. Big talk, big boy words. Real talk, I guess you should say. Real talk. We're real here. When should I sell out of ANTX? Help me out, guys. You told me you wanted to sell at 8 right now, man. Now you don't know when you want to sell? Like, you gotta have a plan. Just be very careful. Is it still halted? Oh, it just hit 8. You see? You said you were gonna sell at 8. It's up to you, man. I don't know. Is it gonna break 8? There's a wall at 8. Back to AMC really quick. Still testing EMA. When you're unhappy with your investment. This is why. Take a look at this. On the 5 minute for AMC, the EMA is at 58.25. And we had hit 61. That's pretty nuts. So it can't really hold 60. Is it going to hold EMA here? Are we going to hold 59? Let this unfold. What's today? Wednesday, right? Till tomorrow we have the Fed central bank balance sheet coming out too. Sundial was running. Forgot about this stock. Back, oh, it's still under $1. I think wasn't the compliance this month? Or was it July that it had to trade above $1? Does anybody remember that? That came out like in January. It's already June, July. Maybe this is why they're trying to push it above $1. I don't know. That's just my little thought on that. Good old Sundial. How are these other cannabis stocks? Yeah, they were. That's when I sold. When Sundial hit like 425, I literally sold before it got halted. I kid you not. I sold and like 10 seconds later it got halted. Ever since then, it never just came back. Tilray, green. ACB, it's green. Some cannabis movement today. AMC doesn't look like it wants to hold 60. How about 59? Right around here? No, no, not January. They had till June guarding them. I think the deadline was like June. Because it wasn't above $1, I believe, in January. ENTX, let's take a look at that. How's it that going? 817, it's above 8. Jan says he got in with you on the ENTX play. Just know why you're buying and have a plan. So we didn't hold 60. We're kind of holding 50, 59 around here. Not bad, not bad. We're right under 60, man. That's not bad at all. It's up 2%, nearly 3%. GameStop looks like it found some support at 216, waiting for that rebound. Maintain above $1. Come on. This uptrend here is just beautiful. No new news on this one. So when was the annual meeting for AMC? Was it June 27 or July? I think it was July, right? 27, 29? I think it was July. Still got some time. July. It's a nice little birthday present for Rob. I like how Morning Brew tweets out like this absurd stat of the day. 5.2 million people around the globe became dollar millionaires last year despite the pandemic, according to a new report from Credit Suisse. 90% of millionaires currently have a net worth of 5 million or less, while 0.4% are worth 50 million or more. That's your stat of the day, brought to you by Morning Brew. $59.40 again for AMC. We're playing catch up on the 5-minute EMA, so this is probably gonna meet it right around 59, 58.50 if that's the case. It's coming down. 59. I would hate to see this go red again. Clover, how's Clover? Flopping back down. It's holding at pre-market levels, 13.50. I think people just sold out, took profits at the spike, especially people who are back holding, and they said, you know, screw this, I'm gonna sell it here. That's also like a mentality. McDonald's is having like this loyalty program. McDonald's first ever U.S. loyalty program will launch nationwide on July 8th. On Thursday in 2 weeks, on July 8th, they're gonna have like this loyalty program. How's the stock? Just sideways. Kind of boring. Reminds me of Coca-Cola. Wait, how's KO? 54, not bad. All right, AMC still holding up at 59. Morning, Nathan. Yeah, that we noticed that this morning. There's some divergence here on the chart patterns for GameStop and AMC. GameStop isn't following AMC just like it usually has, which is pretty interesting. For every 150K you spend at McDonald's, you get a free consultation with the heart specialist. I don't know how the rewards points gonna be. Usually I try not to sign up for like rewards because then that makes me want to go there more often, you know? It's like some psychological play. Like the only rewards I have is Starbucks, Chipotle. I think that's it. Who was holding those bags on Torchlight? Torchlight was, if you look at the daily, a textbook pump and dump. This is literally what it was. You run it up, take profits, and it just comes back down. It's just too risky. The higher this goes, it's literally just like hot potato. You're passing around a ticking time bomb, and it didn't hold. Like GameStop and AMC are those stocks, those unicorns that are really holding near the highs. That's pretty impressive. They crossed the chasm. Arby's. Does Arby's even have rewards? Toilet papers? Amex points. There you go. But we're just talking food right now. The Amex comes in clutch too. You literally get your money's worth. Arby's rewards. Does Arby's have rewards? Arby's rewards app. Like I knew this one guy, right? He had literally, it tripped me out. He showed me, he's like, "What do you want to eat?" And he had literally every fast food app on his phone. Guys, I kid you not, he had Domino's, like Little Caesars, Pizza Hut, Burger King, McDonald's, every food app you can think of, he had it. I was like, there's no way you have all those apps. Arby's rewards are in the bathroom. Oh man. 215 GameStop. Come on. It was holding 215 pretty well. Yesterday's low was what, 209 on that gap up above 200. Don't lie, that don't lie, that was Robert. It's gotta look at the history of this chart to know these massive rallies that it has. It's not, it can't sustain them really. Even just like this little spike from 8 to 12 early March, it's just flopped back down to new lows the next following month, right around 7. You just gotta take a look at the history of the chart to know. The chart speaks to you. History, man. You gotta look back at history. What do they say? Those who don't learn history or repeat are doomed to repeat it. ALF. See, this is already spooking me out. This just looks like another Wall Street bet stock. It's pulling back. See, now it's just now it's a game of catch yourself free fall. I don't know where this is gonna hold support. Yeah, the volume is nuts. That's a good plus for me. I like the volume. It reminds me of Clover. Look at that rebound on Clover. Powell. I thought you were joking about that. Trying to make like a Powell joke. Ammo. Gun stock quiet. Fallen report. U.S. Justice. Here, there's not a lot of volume for me to play this. It's not really moving fast. I wouldn't play this. Not for a day trade. No, it's already a red flag to me. Maybe a longer term hold, yeah, but nah. There's AMC's rebound to 59 again. So they're making this whole drama about the new variant of the disease or the Rona. It's called the Delta. I mean, how we've been hearing about this variant, this and this and this for the last year. Fauci declares Delta variant the greatest threat to the nation's effort to eliminate the Rona. Yeah, the Delta variant. ARK is making a comeback. Look at ARK. Go ARK. Kathy bought Bitcoin. AMC seeing some pressure at 59. Don't go red on us, AMC. Literally $60 is like that battle zone. It's either gonna hold above 60 or it just can't really hold. I don't think it'll be in between. Come on. Unless we're testing the 5 here. Yeah, we're meeting up with the 5. We had said what 58.50? We're literally I think at 58.50 for the EMA. So we should bounce here. Come on. These doctors are bought and paid for. Have you guys seen all the YouTube videos on Fauci? Kind of spooky. Like literally at the beginning of this whole pandemic, I actually believed Fauci. I actually had confidence in him. You guys know how what was her name? Dr. Deborah Bricks, I believe it was her name. Like they would go on TV and start speaking and then what their plans were and whatnot. I actually had like kind of faith in them. I actually kind of believed it. And then like fast forward till now, I'm just like I think that was just all BS. Like it was just one whole circus. Like now I don't believe anything now. It's like I'm losing confidence in that. That's what fear does to you, I think, man. Fear like messes with your mind. It makes you weak. I did too, and now it's also sketchy. Yeah. I think when you're fearful like that, I mean, it's all over. Everyone's talking about it. It could kill you and whatnot. You start to believe these people and everything you hear. If you have faith in Fauci, you have faith in Kramer. Starts falling off a cliff. Research FE. What is FE? 58.50s again. It looks like we're holding support here as of now. We're waiting for a stronger rebound off the EMA here on the 5 minute. If we're gonna see that rebound, we gotta get back to like 59.50s here. GameStop looks like it's still holding 215. Go GameStop, go! There's that little bounce. Oh yeah, on the periodic table, right? I used to know that like the back of my hand. FE. Fe. Iron. But I don't think that's what Gatsby of Houston meant. Research iron. Unless it's a stock. It is a stock. I don't know what you mean. Iron's a stock? Periodic table, is that a woman? It's the table of elements that the answer is called. The elements table. Hydrogen, helium, salt, sodium. Neon, titanium. I know you were just kidding. Sorry to hear that, Keith. Carla just told me that yesterday. She has a 13-year-old daughter and will not let her get it. Gold. I'm investing in tin for all the tinfoil hats. Oh man, you know what they say, man. When there's like a gold rush, you sell the shovels, sell the equipment. You have to have those problems. Is it like genetic or you inherit it? Like a heart murmur or something like that? GameStop. I mean AMC, what are you doing? Stocks are not science. There is no money sign on the periodic table. Inoculation. There's GameStop's candle of hope. 217.77. Let's go green for the day for sure GameStop. Let's push back to 220. It's gonna be a patience and a slow one for GameStop. I don't know what the volume is for GameStop right now. Let's take a look. Yesterday we were at what 1 mil like 2 million around this time. Yahoo Finance. Let's see what stocks are trending on Yahoo Finance. X paying, interesting. The EVs are hot today. Ooh. ALF. You guys brought up this one earlier. The triple D's. This one's trending. Virgin Galactic. SPCE. Oh my gosh, look, I have an alert. Look how close this was to setting my alert. Interesting. And the last one, of course, is Clover. No AMC today trending on there. Clover is still at 14. There's that rebound on AMC. Nice. No way, GameStop volume is 844K. Not even a million yet? You're right, 854. What's AMC's at? My guess is like what, 7 mil? No, I was so off. 33 million. I would not short Virgin Galactic. That's an easy way to get squeezed. It's like betting against Elon. Richard Branson's like Elon. Workhorse. 218 GameStop. I think AMC needs to hold above green territory around these levels around low 60s. I think, or else I think it'll spook some people. I mean, I was just looking through Twitter comments and trying to read through YouTube comments to understand sentiment, and I think people are getting a little impatient on this. I mean, I don't blame them, man. Some people have been in since like January, and some people are fully invested. They can't play other stocks because they're stuck in a stock. So I don't blame them. Still holding 59. Take a look at good old Tesla. 648 was the high. Still holding near the highs. Very impressive. Good job, William. That's what is that? The third time you hit it on Palantir? Or are those the same contracts you were holding before? Because I know you mentioned Palantir. No, you had 22 strike last time, right? You had like 22, 23. This time you had 26. Trending on Twitter. Is Subway selling real tuna? Question mark. The Gates Foundation is trending. Warren Buffett resigns from Gates Foundation board. Damn. Warren Buffett said late. I'm outie. Hashtag Delta variant is trending by the way too. We're just talking about that. Yeah, Warren Buffett dipped. I don't recall reading an Adam Aaron promise not to dilute the 25 million. Uh, he said June 1st next year. He even tweeted it out. Nobody who has held AMC since January is impatient. Nobody really. Just go look at tweets, man. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he tweeted it out. Adam Aaron tweeted it out. That's the time he tweeted 3 times back to back that they weren't gonna dilute because everybody on his Twitter was replying, "No more dilution, no more dilution, no more dilution, no more dilution." And he reads the comments, he reads his replies, so that's why he tweeted back to back to back saying they were gonna dilute and whatnot till January 1st. But he's for the dilution, of course. They need money. They're gonna raise capital, whatnot. There's a chance this Delta variant BS ends up being bigger than we thought. We get shut down again, and they have the capital to survive, and they don't go bankrupt. But he was trying to convince people on why to vote yes or in favor of that dilution. Still holding 58.50s. Man, we need to rebound. We need to rebound. What is a redneck rave? Why is that trending on here? I think this might be a rebound here. Come on. We gotta go back to this level here, guys. 59.50s. Come on, AMC. Don't go red on us. $60 is literally the battle. Oh. Clover still coming down. Blackberry, Wendy's, Wish, Torch, ENTX. It hit 868. Where's that one guy? And Frank, Elon Musk. Did you sell? I'm curious. Oh, Tesla hit 649. There's that rebound. There's that rebound we're talking about. Is that 5 EMA bounce? Come on, come on. GameStop's waking up as well. 218. Let's see. Let's see who plays today. Euro 2021. Spain, Slovakia, Poland, Sweden. And Portugal, France. That was going to be a good one. I'm up 12K from 640 strikes. There you go, Fung. Congrats. Take the Tesla short money. Burn the shorts, baby. Robert Brown said he's 10 short Tesla. I will be back. It's not going to 69. Tesla will never probably ever see 69. If it does, I'm gonna load the boat. 59.50. Burry's probably getting wrecked right now too. I don't wait, was he in the green? I don't remember at what price he initiated his short at. Does anybody remember what price Michael Burry shorted Tesla? Or he bought puts? I don't remember. He must not be happy today. He probably doesn't even care. He's going long term. Did you guys hear about that guy who was fined $52,000 for hitting a crew member in the face and trying to open the cockpit door? I think I saw a video on that. And that I think that was the second instance that happened that week. If Tesla hit 69, I sell all my AMC and buy Tesla. I would do the same with every other stock. I just sell the house, sell the car, put it onto Tesla. Hmm. 59 still for AMC. So he had this pretty strong run up from 50, 56.50 all the way to 61.10. That 60 battle, I think, is still there for AMC. It's like this massive psychological number. It's either going to slightly close above 60 or it's just going to come down under 60. I don't think there's any in between. As of now, we're seeing in between. We're right under 60, which is not bad. Not bad. Not bad that it's holding there. I think this gives it a nice little chance for it to recover midday in the next couple hours and possibly close at a new high. It's a fight for 60, yeah, and the fight for 220 for GameStop. Support being right around, I would say 55. Support for AMC is pretty good level, and 210 for GameStop. And then if it comes down under that for AMC, it'd be 50 whole number, and then 200 for GameStop. It was an off-duty flight attendant, really? That was a video. Let me see. I'll sell my Jordan collection. There's GameStop 219. This is AMC's time. Go, baby, go. We got to get a 60 now. Come on, hold your spikes. Yeah, we were up and now we're sideways here. Sideways is not necessarily the worst case scenario, guys. This can be worse. This can come down red and go negative today, you know? So far so good. Like I think this was the video. Airplane Air France connecting to Paris. So he gets up and then he just knocks him out. Bam. 220 GameStop. 59.59 AMC. What a beautiful support there. Come on, just rip to 60. I'll see you later, Stacks. So I will probably just end it here too. Robert Greenfield. Is that because of the Rich Greenfield guy with the 1 cent price tag on AMC? Come on, AMC. Damn it. Gotta hold 59. It's looking solid. Let's see if Tesla hits 650. Pretty sure it did. Oh man. 652. That's beautiful. Damn it, AMC. All right, guys. We're gonna end it here. Um, Yesterday when we ended it, AMC just started rallying, but we'll see what happens with AMC if it can hold 59. Worst case scenario, we drop negative. If we can hold support, that's not the worst case scenario. GameStop 220 testing. They're holding support as of now. Who knows what's gonna happen? There's a very high chance AMC can hit a new high if we hold around 59.50 and 60 headed into midday power hour. So we'll see Tesla where this ends up. 670s maybe. I don't know. Tesla's it's a very surprising stock, man. You'll have it crashing to 539 one day, Bitcoin's tanking. The next day we're 652. So we'll see what happens. That being said, hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your morning, evening. Drop 150K. No onions. No more onions. GameStop will tank if I eat an onion. No, with that being said, hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your morning. Go out for a walk, read a book, do some meditation, some yoga. Everything's gonna be all right. Stay safe, stay well.